what President Biden is calling a full-scale wartime effort to fight this pandemic and get the country back to normal. On his first full day in the office, the president described a desperate situation likely to get worse before it gets better, he said. But he also laid out a very ambitious agenda, including new executive actions on vaccines and the economy. Weijia Jiang is at the White House. Weijia, what's the plan? Good morning to you.
Good morning to you, Gayle, and good morning to everyone. Well, today, President Biden plans to sign 2 new executive orders to provide economic relief from the COVID-19 pandemic. The first one will focus on providing more financial assistance for food amid a growing hunger crisis. And the second aims to help federal workers, in part by restoring collective bargaining and worker protections that the Trump administration rescinded. The orders today will bring President Biden's total in 3 days of executive orders and actions to 29.
Help is on the way.
The first wave of help is coming through 10 executive orders that President Biden signed Thursday. He promised to do better than his predecessor, but he reminded Americans of the reality ahead.
We didn't get into this mess overnight. It's going to take months for us to turn things around.
The president invoked the Defense Production Act, compelling companies to make supplies, everything from more syringes to PPE. Part of Mr. Biden's actions aimed to increase testing and vaccinations, but he bristled when a reporter asked him if, as some experts have suggested, the promise of 100 million vaccines in 100 days is too low.
You put the goal at 100 million vaccines.
Thank you, guys.
Is that high enough? Shouldn't you set the bar higher? That's basically where the U.S. is right now.
When I announced it, you all said it's not possible. Come on, give me a break, man.
Come on, you guys.
That's a good start. 100 million.
Back in the briefing room over 2 months after his last appearance, Dr. Anthony Fauci, who returned as President Biden's chief medical advisor.
One of the things that we're going to do is to be completely transparent, open, and honest. If things go wrong, not point fingers, but to correct them.
Fauci said he already feels the difference of working under a president who fully embraces science.
The idea that you can get up here and talk about what you know, what the evidence, what the science is, and know that's it. Let the science speak. It is somewhat of a liberating feeling.
Some state officials tell CBS News the federal government has already reached out more in the past 36 hours, including from FEMA offering to set up and staff mass vaccination sites. At the same time, the president is trying to convince Congress to pass a $1.9 trillion rescue package, including funding for those centers nationwide.
He feels that package is designed for bipartisan support.
But so far, the moderate Republicans needed to seal the deal, say it's too pricey. Yesterday, Senator Susan Collins of Maine joined her colleagues, Senators Mitt Romney and Lisa Murkowski, in saying it's hard to imagine supporting such a big package when they just passed a $900 billion plan at the end of last year. Anthony?
Weijia, thank you.